Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be share with you some of the best ways to make money online. Whether you are looking to make little extra cash on the side, or you want to turn your online hustle into a full-time income, I have got you covered. So let's get started. So our first topic is sell products online. One of the easiest and most straightforward ways to make money online is by selling products. This can include anything from handmade craft to digital products like ebook or courses. You can sell your products or on website like Etsy, Amazon or Shopify. The key to making money with this method is to find a niche that you are passionate about and create products that people will love. Next topic is freelance your skills. So it is again another great way to make money online is by freelancing your skills. If you are a writer, graphic designer or web developer, there are countless websites that connect freelancers with clients who need their services. Sites like Upwork, Freelancer and Fiverr are all great places to start. The key to making money with freelancing is to specialize in a particular niche and build a portfolio of work that showcase your skills. Our third topic is create content on YouTube. If you are passionate about creating content, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to make money online. You can monetize your videos with ads or sponsored content, and if you have built a large enough audience, you can also sell your own merchandise or create your own courses. The key to making money on YouTube is to be create content that people want to watch, engage with, and is to be consistent with your uploads. So our next topic is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. Essentially, you promote other people products and earns a commission on any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your blog, social media or through email marketing campaign. The key to making money with affiliate marketing is to choose products that align with your audience interest and needs. So it is the great way to making money online. Our next way to make money is invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. So if you are willing to take on a little more risk, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money online. With the rise of online trading platform like Robinhood and Coinbase, it's easier than ever to start investing with just a few clicks. Of course, investing comes with risks also. So it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. So our last is my conclusion. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of many ways to making money online. Whether you choose to sell products, freelance your skills, create content on YouTube, do affiliate marketing or invest in stock or cryptocurrency, the key to success is to be passionate, dedicated and willing to put in the work. This is the way to create money online. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next Badrik Sign off.